people. My name is Mary Jane Malachi, and this is my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. So today we're gonna try something new. We're gonna try and turn these old, rusty, and dusty box braids into faux locks. Disclaimer: this is not a tutorial. This is me trying to do something that I saw on a tutorial. So the hairpiece they used, right? They used spring twist. Obviously, it was an American thing, so they bought their stuff from Amazon. This is the South African spring twist that we have. I bought 6 packets, and there's about 12 in each packet. They were for 40 rand for one. So if you guys want to try this hairstyle, I will link where I got the hairpiece from. I bought it online, and it took about just over a week to be delivered. So yeah, it was very quick. And yeah, before I get started, I'm going to spritz my hair with this. Okay, the lighting is like super bad. Okay, but basically in this there is water and conditioner, and then I'm going to put in leave-in conditioner, and then to lock all that moisture up, I have my little concoction here, which is made up of coconut oil and castor oil. Okay, now that my hair is all oiled up, we can begin. So, the tutorial, Barry, you take one of these, right? And you kind of like split it in a way, because it is quite thick. If you can see, it started out like this small, and then it like extends to like, it's like very springy. So what you want to do, you fluff it out. I guess when I did this, it was fluffing out on its own. So you fluff it out, and then you just want to separate it into 2, because it is quite thick and you don't want like a thick lock. So you separate it into 2. I still feel that this is kind of still thick, so I'm going to separate it again into another 2. So I guess 1 spring twist is going to give me 4 locks. So yeah, I'm going to just take the other half and separate it again. So basically I've got 4 out of 1 spring twist. I got 4 ones that I want to wrap up. Why I'm doing it into 4? Because as you can see, the braid is quite thick. So if this is thick and this is thick, it's just going to be a big mess on my head. So yeah, let's begin. Let's start. Okay, so I'm trying to I'm gonna have to position my camera differently, so 1 sec. Okay, so I moved to my closet, so I can be in front of my mirror over there. And so we're gonna try and do what that lady did. So I'm just gonna take this fun braid of it. Actually, I should tie my hair so the others don't get in the way. Just tie this hair up and leave this one. That hair is tied up. So what that lady did was, yeah, guys, it's going to be so sad if this thing doesn't work, because this hair piece was quite expensive. So she said you take a small piece and you just put it right there by your head, and you take like a small section, and then the rest you leave out. Okay, we're doing that. And then you put it right there, and she said what you want to do is the first few wraps on top, you want to wrap it tightly so that it doesn't fall off. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to wrap it tightly on top for like 4 times, she said. So just wrapping it. Okay, so I feel it's pretty tight enough. And then after wrapping it tightly 4 times, she says you want to just start wrapping loosely around. Okay, it's not actually not that difficult. Okay, let me try and do. So it's coming along, guys, if you can see here. Okay, maybe I'm doing it a bit too tight. I will loosen up, and then yeah. Okay, let me try and do what she was doing. She tried to do to make it distressed. She said you put your thumb in between and wrap then you let it go, and you just keep on doing that. Okay, it didn't really come out distressed, so yeah, I guess we're gonna give up on the distressed lock. We're just going to go with normal locks. We'll do distressed next time, I guess. Let's just do normal locks for now, because we are still beginners. So as you guys can see, I'm wrapping. Looks so crusty. And then when you get to the end here, you can see. Oh, guys, am I doing it too tight? I might be doing it too tight, eh? Okay, next lock. Now we know not to do it so tight, but it did come out decently. Okay, it did come out. I think not too bad. Okay, I'm just, no, it's definitely way too tight. Anyway, so she said when you get to this end piece over here, what you want to do is take the other piece, which she fluffed out, and then, again, just a small piece, put it above the other piece that's about to finish, like this. And then the piece that was about to finish, you wrap about 2 times. And then you, oh my word, you guys didn't see. Okay, so this is the piece that's about to finish. This is that longer piece. Wrap, kokang, ko, walk, and go. And then you bring it down. You bring it down to that other small hikey piece. Remember the small hikey piece that we left aside? And then you take your big piece and you just continue wrapping. Just like that. And yeah, this, as you can see, I'm about at the end of my braid. And so this should take me to the end of my braid. So I'm just going to fast forward. Okay, so here comes the tricky part. So here's the fox lock so far, and now we're getting to the end. And she says when you get to the end of the braid, what you want to do is take that piece, right, and wrap it back up. So that's what we're doing here. It's just taking this piece because we've reached the end, and this is the piece that's left, and we are going to wrap it back up. And once it's been wrapped back up, what I saw her then do is kind of just mix it in, because this is quite a Mali hairpiece, so it's very textured, and so when you just do this, it mixes up with the other hairpiece and it probably won't unravel. So yes guys, this is my dreadlock, my fox lock. I don't know, is it the best? I don't know. Hopefully I'll improve with the rest. I am doing it a bit too tightly. And so, yeah. Here it is. Here it is. So, I got the ring. I'm going to do the rest of my head. Crossing fingers that it turns out okay. So, let me do the rest of this and I will check you guys when I'm done. Just a little update. This is how much I've done so far. I think there's about 10. And this is how they're looking so far. Some of them are a bit uneven. It's okay. And I like this little brown highlight thingy that's happening here. I still have like this huge chunk left. But yeah, so far, I don't know. I'm liking them. I'm liking how they look.
Many hours later.
Oh, okay, I am so tired. It's like 1 a.m. I started wrapping at like 4:30 in the evening, but anyway, it was worth it because this is how it came out. This is the length of everything, and yeah guys, this is how it came out. I'm liking the texture. It looks like dreadlocks, and it's not perfect, but it's an attempt. For my first time, I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm not sure whether I should accessorize or not. But yeah, I'm going to go to sleep and maybe tomorrow I'll like style it and show you guys a better view of how it looks. So Good night. When I got up the next day, the locks weren't as stiff as they were the previous night before, and this is a full view of how they looked. I was really liking the brown highlights that you would see throughout the lock. And then this is how they looked when I stood up lengthwise. Some are longer than others, but I really like that. I feel like it gives the hairstyle a bit of character. And then this is how it looked when up in a messy bun. I was really liking this hairstyle. I think it's a cute hairstyle to rock for winter, and I am happy with the results. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.